All right, we're moving into drawings. One of the most common ones I get with drawings is, well, we've got this component here. This is a left-hand thread. I need to make another one just like it, but it's a right-hand thread. And that's the only difference, the direction. So first off, let's make the part. So I'll just do a save as and rename this to the right-hand thread direction. Now, of course, modeling wise, I need to make a change here. I need to change the thread direction. So I'll come in here and tweak that coil, change it to a right-handed thread. Perfect, looks good. Save that, close it. I already have a drawing of the left-hand thread configuration. There's my left-handed thread. I need to make another one where the only thing that's going to change is that thread direction and this little note. Everything else will be identical. How can I do that? Well, obviously first you would save this as your right-handed thread configuration or right-hand direction configuration. Once that's done, on the Manage ribbon, there is a command to replace model reference. Brings up this utility. You could have multiple sheets and multiple views, but we only have one sheet and one view. It's just basically saying this is what this particular sheet is looking at. It's looking at this component. I can browse and choose a different component. So I'm going to choose the right-hand configuration. I'll say open that, and I get a prompt simply asking, are you sure you want to do this? I'll say yes. Nothing has changed yet on the sheet, but when I hit OK, you'll see a quick flash, and the only thing that will change is that thread direction. None of the dimensions will be orphaned. None of them will be lost. Done. And now when I zoom in, you'll notice the thread direction has changed. I only need to update the note because I manually typed in that note. That's the only reason this did not automatically change.